Hello Raider Nation, we're on Russell Road. How you guys doing today? It is June 10th, about 6 p.m. And as you can see, they've done a whole lot of work here on Russell Road. Looking pretty nice. They have little trees on the side nearest the street and palm trees on the side nearest the stadium. How's about that? Just out here today for a quick ride around of the stadium. I haven't been on the side of the building for quite some time, and I do like how it turned out. So when you go here, we're going to turn around and head up north on Polaris. Okay. Normally, I would stand around here somewhere with the camera out, but see, this all has been redone. There's a nice wall right here, and check out the parking lot. That's all been done. Just waiting for the white stripes to come in, or the striping, to allocate which cars park where. Very nice. Very nice indeed. It's about maybe 95 degrees right now, but it doesn't feel like it, so that's a plus. All right. Great. Great. All right. And down there, that snake is Dean Martin. All right, let's turn around. And then next time you see me, well, next shot you'll see is us going down Polaris. All right, let's go. Back on Polaris, on the sidewalk right now. This area before, this is where the guys come in and they walk in and they have to, mandatory. They must wash hands, hand washing and sanitizing stations. Here they are, these little gray guys right here. Now I probably shouldn't be over here, okay, but hey, anything for the audience, right? Well, not really. So these are by a company called United Site Services. So now I have to go into the street because it's all fenced off up here. Now I'll be very careful, and I will not step on any of the new shrubbery going in. Okay, and here is also some entrances for the team to go in right here. All right. As I mentioned in an earlier vlog, the street has been tarred over, and all the dots are down there now, which basically say dumb guy when you run over them, right? Haha. All right. So the exterior of the stadium is looking pretty good. They're laying the parking lot there. They're laying down the parking lot stuff. The trees have gone in, little ones and big ones. And all in all, just getting ready to hopefully open in the very near future. This street right here, here is the fencing surrounding this trade. Now I cannot go in there because I'll be trespassing, but I can stand on the street and actually it's this little fence. These little fences kind of screw with your focusing on your cameras. Okay, let's see if we can do this. Okay, so as you can see, part of the field, or the field tray, nice and green. And also you can see the fence right there. I am not sure the height of the fence. Maybe it's 10 feet, maybe? But I could not high jump it. Ha. So you see Polaris is very long, just a straight street, a straight shot, nothing fancy, okay? So what's going on over here? Now, in this area right here, we have an incomplete fence for one, okay? It's like a little, not exactly a plaza, but like almost like a gathering area where folks would probably mill around. And I believe previously, on a previous video, this black thing right here was not there, but I believe there's speakers inside there. And so the speakers up, the black surrounding thing to protect you from the elements and from vandals. Hey, there you go. All right, so there we go. So you see that our high fence just goes on and on and on. Allegiant Stadium. Like I said, the exterior is looking pretty good. They're honking at me. The exterior is looking pretty good, and so it is quite a sight to see. And like I said, if you're in town or live here and you happen to come down here, pop on in. Hey, you know, might as well. And here's the fencing that'll be surrounding this electronic equipment. So I don't have the real name for those things. So, but you got to protect people from themselves. All right, all right. This gate is new. There's one side, and there is the other side. That's brand new since I was last down here. Let's keep on going down. And they're installing some of the light fixtures, light poles. Looks pretty good. Got a no trespassing sign. Never, of course not. And right now there's no traffic on this street, or little to no traffic on this street, so it's very nice to ride. There we go. That's the baby. And this right here, this street right here, connects to Al Davis Way, straight through there. And that gate also is also brand new, because this was not here when I was here last time. You see this black gate? That was not there last time I was here. All right, cool. So progress, progress, progress. I hit Polaris. Sorry, we're on Polaris. We'd hit Hacienda and turn right. And also this fence, that gate was not here either. Hey. So they are moving along, getting the exterior all cleaned up and ready for people. Oh, wait a minute. Let's see. On to Polaris. I don't know if you can see it or not, but this parking area, they've laid down some stripes. Can you see? I don't know if you can see or not. But they laid down some white striping for the parking, and they are long ones, so it looks like this might be the bus area, because those stripes, you can see them, are pretty long. So perhaps it's the bus. And they even have the labels up. B, the row, I'm sorry, the row. Row B. I need my glasses on, you guys. Ugh. So hey, looking pretty tasty. Hang on, this is gonna be the, I need to have my thumbnail. So freeze right there. Maybe, okay. Let's see if we can get in. Push this baby up next to the thing. Can you see? So, people on the ground, all those white stripes. I'm presuming maybe it's a bus. Yeah, all right, cool. All right. Hang right here on Al Davis. Once again, I missed the lanai doors being open. Gotta get my timing better. But here we are. This is a street from Polaris. It just runs over to here. Here's one of the entrances right here. Another gate. Great. And there's some more of the those walkways. Walkways? Pathways? Let's see. Wait a minute. So now behind the entrance, we have more of those coverings for the pathway to roam around, to walk around the stadium. And that's good. You kind of shunt people the way you want them to walk, and hopefully they will stay on the path. Hopefully. Let's be honest. We all venture off the path occasionally. There we go. Let me get closer in there. Can you see? So let's try this. There we go. Yeah, so there's the path right there. Or there's the outer shell for the covering of the path to walk on. Okay. Gonna hang it right on Dean Martin. Some more piping, right, tubing right here for something. Don't know what. Before we had the ticket gates, ticket booths out here, and I guess they've been moved over to maybe their more permanent location. They're not here now. Huh. I wonder. Oh, we got action. Hey. Hang on a second. I think those buildings right there in front of the stadium. Let me try to zoom in. Those buildings right there, I think those were the ticket booths. I think. Okay. All right. Now, here we are coming up on the future giant LED screen, and it looks like we have action going on up there. You can't really see it. Hang on, let's zoom in. We can see what's going on. There we go. This is my max zoom on my phone at 8 times. So he is doing something. This pathway right here, this road, this street, still is waiting for the asphalt to cover it over. Because it looks like people walking over here, probably cars also, for maintenance and so on, will use this road right here, this path. And the landscaping is not done yet, complete. The holes are there, the shrubbery is not. So, I wonder. Today was just a quick one out here in beautiful Las Vegas, Nevada. I hadn't been down stadium for a little bit, and I wanted to come in and just take a little peek to see what was happening. Let's see, this whole area is being smoothed over for eventual coverage. The sidewalk's quite nice now. The little things, right? It's always the little things. All right, you guys, I think that will just about do it for today. You know, I just want to come up for a quick one, see what's going on down here. And things are looking good, exterior-wise, looking really good. All right, you guys, pardon me, try to take care of yourselves wherever you are, you know, and be safe out there. Hopefully things are calming down from the general madness going on. Y'all take care of yourselves, stay out of trouble. And if I see you, just say hello, all right? If you see me, say hello, yeah. If you see me, say hello, I'll say hello back. That's how it goes. Okay, anyway, take care, and I will talk to you again soon-ish. All right, adios. Yo. All right, so my last video about the new Raider Stadium, I mentioned that it would be kind of nice if they could close up the overpass so folks could walk by it. I'm sorry, so folks could walk to it. And so today I thought I would come down to the Mandalay Bay, right on the corner, and then just walk down to the Raider Stadium to see how long it takes. So let's start now. Start the clock. Luxor Drive could be a bottleneck if people are coming down, you know, from the strip with a red light. And also, if folks are coming down across from through Luxor Drive, they do need to cross the street to get to the stadium. Now, they can either, they can either cross here, where we are now, or go over the over-ramp, right? And then cross at the corner. Well, that'd be a pain because if there are cars over there, you're gonna need a traffic warden outside to make sure that, no one gets hit by a car. And that can be some frustration. Additionally, these little sidewalks on the over-ramp are not that wide. They may be wide for 2 people, maybe, or possibly 3. And so I say, close it down, shut it down, no cars. Let the folks walk. The stadium right there. As you can see by the clock on the screen, which I haven't made yet, it didn't take that long. What was that, 13 minutes maybe, or 12 minutes, which is really an easy walk from the strip to the to gate 8. Now also what's good about gate 8 is that gate 8 is pretty much next to the stadium, so I can see thousands of people just walking and walking and walking and walking and walking and walking, and bam, right at gate 8. Now, here's the other thing. I rode the bus before from downtown to Mandalay Bay. That took about 55 minutes, all right? So some folks are gonna stay in Mandalay Bay, they're gonna stay downtown and want to ride, public transportation down here. It's about an hour-ish just to get to Mandalay Bay. And so depending on game day, traffic, whatever, it could be longer. The day I rode it, there was some traffic, wasn't crazy traffic, so adjust accordingly. All right, you guys, not bad.